You feel it, don't you? Something is off in Britain. Petrol queues pop up out of nowhere, card machines go down, a door handle turns when you're home alone, and big crowds are coming to London on September 13th. Add Russia playing with our energy and cyber, and you've got a recipe for disruption. So here's the deal. Before September, get these 23 items dialed in. UK kit, UK threats, realistic budgets, no American safari loadouts. Stay with me because halfway through I'll show you the £12 item that keeps your front door shut longer than most home security gadgets. And at the end, you'll get free 60-second actions that tighten your home tonight. Let's move. Welcome back to Charlie Survival. On this channel we do British bushcraft, survival and real world grit. No fantasy loadouts, just what actually works on our little wet island. This video is simple. Part 1, why September is a pressure point. Part 2, 23 items to buy now, each one tied to a UK scenario you might actually face. Part 3, quick power math, the grey door test and a checklist you can screenshot. You won't agree with all of it. Good, pick 5 gaps you have today and fix them. Because when 1 million people head into a city or a cyber wobble hits payment systems, or we get a boil water notice after a mains burst, the people who sail through are the ones who made small moves before the headline. Why September feels tight. Crowds and protests. Large events concentrate people, stress transport and soak up police bandwidth. 99% are peaceful, 1% is enough to snarl roads and shops. If there is an opposition protest taking place on September 13th that no one knows about, or the opposition strategically places people within the protest to look like part of it in disguise, there may be trouble. If you want me to make a whole video about September 13th and how to stay safe, let me know in the comments. Even if you aren't going, the information may be useful for any protests, riots or civil unrest that may happen in the future. Energy and cyber. The UK is tied to global gas and power markets. We've seen prices spike, grid strain and IT outages from time to time. Even short failures ripple. Routers die, tills fail, ATMs sulk. A 2-hour software glitch can feel like 12 when everyone panics. Storms and floods. September can bring the first autumn storms. Surface water flooding closes A-roads in minutes. If you live near a river or clay valley floor, you already know. General friction. Strikes, staffing, supply chains that run hot. A missing driver here, a wrong barcode there, and suddenly your local shop's bread shelf looks like Christmas Eve. None of this is the sky is falling, it's have a plan B. And that plan starts with boring, unsexy kit that keeps your household steady when Britain does Britain. Let's build it. The 23 items, UK tuned. Rule of thumb, start with water, power, warmth and light. Then add food, comms, meds, documents and security. Last, mobility and neighbours. I'll give you the why, the UK angle and a quick action for each. 1. 2 weeks of water, cheap, stackable. Power cuts hit pumps. Mains burst trigger boil water notice. Crowds empty shelves. Use 2-litre fizzy drink bottles, they're food safe and strong. Rinse, add tap water, date the cap, store cool and dark. How much? 3 to 4 litres per person per day if you can. Minimum 2 litres to drink, pets too. Quick action, buy a 10 pack of 2 litres and fill your own another 10. 2. A gravity filter, no power, no faff. Kettle fuel runs out, tabs make water taste like a swimming pool. A countertop gravity filter cleans rainwater or tap water under a boil notice. For hiking or car kits, carry a squeeze filter like a Sawyer, plus a 1 litre bottle. Quick action, put the filter on a countertop for a week and actually drink from it so the family trust it. 3. Headlamps plus spare batteries. Hands-free, power cuts are always at night, obviously. Get 1 per person. Choose models that run on AA or AAAs. You can buy them in any village shop. Quick action, tape 2 spare cells inside each headband. 4. A lantern that sips. One light for the whole room, safer than candles. USB rechargeable lanterns are great, but also have a battery lantern for longer cuts and stash alkaline spares in winter. Quick action, put the lantern in the same place in every room. Muscle memory matters. 5. Power banks, 2 tiers. Your phone is your lifeline for maps, updates, banking. The pair system, small 10 to 20,000 milliamp for daily carry, big 30 to 60,000 milliamp at home for multiple phones and routers. If budget allows, a solar generator, Jackery, EcoFlow, Bluetti class will run the Wi-Fi, router and fridge cycling. Add a folding panel if you get enough daylight. Quick action, fully charged, then write the date on masking tape, rotates monthly. 6. USB-C cables plus 4-way. The power is useless if the cable snaps. Standardize on USB-C if you can, plus a lightning lead if needed. Add a 4-gang extension so one socket becomes many. Quick action, put one spare cable in your glove box in a zip bag. 7. First aid, BS 85991 style plus extras. You could be the first responder for 10 minutes to 10 hours. Start with a BS 5991 workplace kit, good contents for UK, then add Israeli bandage, tourniquet from a reputable market, learn how to use it first. Saline pods, med tape, plasters, pain relief and any personal meds, plus a printable list of dosages. Training beats toys. Quick action, put blue nitrile gloves on top of the kit so they're the first things you grab. 8. Fire safety, 2 kg dry powder plus blankets. Power cuts plus candles plus camping stoves equals fires. 1 2 kg dry power extinguisher by the kitchen, 1 in upstairs hallway. A fire blanket by the hob. Test your smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm if you own a gas appliance or generator. Quick action, do a 60-second drill. If the stairway is blocked, what's plan B? 9. Shelf stable food, 7 days you'll happily eat. Crowds and storms empty shelves faster than you think. Build British boring. Porridge pots, oats, UHT milk, tea, coffee, tin soup, beans, fish, tomatoes, fruit. Microwave rice pouches, most are also pan friendly. Pasta, sauces, peanut butter, honey, crackers, oat bars, a few freeze-dried meals for 0 faff hot meals. Buy what you already eat, rotate. Quick action, add 5 tins and 4 pouches to your next shop, repeat weekly. 10. Can opener, 2 of them. Why? Because the only opener you own will break at 10 PM. Get a manual one for the kitchen and a backup in your go bag. Quick action, put a small P38 opener on your keys if you're old school. You can find this beauty on the new EDC section in the Amazon kit list in the description. You'll have access to this list as soon as the video goes public, as well as the kit I mentioned in this video, all in one place. 11. Cooking without the grid. Hot food calms people. Boiling water keeps you healthy. Indoors, a single burner butane hob, the camping type with crisscross pan support and a spare canister. Use with serious ventilation and a carbon monoxide alarm nearby. Outdoors, a gas barbecue with a full propane bottle or a multi-fuel backpacking stove. Kettle backup, a whistling camping kettle for the hob or barbecue. Quick action, cook 1 full family meal on the backup stove this week. Learn how. 12. Cash, small notes and coins. Card systems fail, ATMs die, little shops stay open. Aim for £100 to £300 in 5s or 10s, plus a handful of £1 coins for parking meters and trolleys. Hide it safely. Quick action, split cash into 3 envelopes in different places at home. 13. Important documents, grab and go. Why? Evacuations, insurance, ID checks, waterproof wallets with passport, NHS number, prescriptions, insurance details, V5C or MOT, utilities with your address, pet vaccination records and hard copy family contacts. Add a USB stick or encrypted digital copy. Quick actions, take photos of each document and then email them to yourself. 14. Comms, FM DAB radio plus PMR 446. Why? Information when phone goes weird, simple comms around home. A wind up USB FM DAB radio for BBC or local updates. For close range, get PMR 446 license-free walkie-talkies for family or neighbours. 4 to 16 channels, agree a channel or silence code. Quick action, put spare batteries batteries with the radio in the same zip bag. 15. Maps. Paper beats 1% battery. Why? Sat-nav crash, police block roads. A to Z street atlas for your nearest city, OS Land Ranger or Explorer for your area. Mark 2 evacuation routes and 2 safe rendezvous points in opposite directions. Quick actions. Drive route B this week, learn the sightlines. 16. Footwear and weather layer. If you have to walk, fashion dies. Waterproof boots or solid trainers, wool socks, light rain shell. In flood-prone areas, wellies in the boots of your car. Quick action, put a dry pair of socks in a zip bag inside your go bag. Morale item right there. 17. Hygiene and do plan. When water is off or you're camping in the lounge, bucket with a lid, bin bags, absorbent material like cheap cat litter, toilet roll, wet wipes, hand gel, double bag and bin when services resume. Quick action, pre-build a bathroom blackout kit in one box. 18. Door security, £12 that buys minutes. Most UK front doors fail at the latch and strike. Fit 3-inch screws through the strike plate into the stud. Add a door wedge or floor jammer for nights. Fit sash jammers on UPVC doors and window locks on ground floor. Motion activated solar lights on approaches. Quick actions. Tonight put the wedge under the door before bed. Tiny habit, big change. 19. Curtains and light discipline. Power cut at night. Glowing windows attract attention. Blackout curtains or a dark sheet you can put up quickly. Keep a red light mode headlamp for midnight checks. Quick action, do the street test. Step outside at night and look at your house. What screams we've got power and food? 20. Fuel and vehicle readiness. Crowds can mean closures. Floods force reroutes. Keep your tank above half, carry a folding shovel, high-vis, triangle, rain jacket, power bank, paper map and snacks and water in the car. If you store petrol or diesel at home, follow UK safety rules and store safely away from living areas, ventilated in approved containers. Quick action, top up this week, don't join the next queue. 21. Small multi-tool plus wrench. To turn off water or gas, fix the annoying thing now. A true utility 12-in-1 Sharky multi-tool, 11mm micro or Swiss type for carry. A decent adjustable spanner lives near the meter. Label off with tape. Quick action, practice turning off the water at the stop tap, then turn it back on. 22. Kids and pets pack. Bored kids and stressed pets make everything harder. Colouring, survival cards, sticker books, a soft toy, snacks, ear defenders if crowds scare them. For pets, food, bowls, lead, carrier, meds, poo bags. Quick action, put a family photo and your number in each child's pocket. 23. Neighbour net. The most powerful prep is someone on your street. Swap numbers with the 2 closest households, agree a check-in phrase. If something kicks off, you'll share information and watch each other's cars. Quick action, text them today. Power cut, ping me, I'll ping you. Quick lessons and mini drills. I promise 3 things: simple power maths, the grey door test and 3 60-second actions to finish strong. Simple power math, so you buy once. Look at your router, it's usually 10 to 20 watts. Your phone pulls about 5 to 10 watts when charging. A laptop draws 40 to 65 watts while in use. A fridge averages 50 to 100 watts over 24 hours when cycling. A 300 to 500 watts power station will run a router for a full day. Charge phones all week and keep lights going if you're frugal. Step up only if you need fridge cycling. Panels help, but winter sun is stingy. Don't overpromise yourself. Mini drill, switch your main breaker off for 2 hours one evening. Can you keep your router on, cook one simple meal and keep lights humane with your kit? Learn the gaps, fix them. That's it. The grey man test. Make your home boring. Burglars and opportunists scan for signals. Glare from a TV in a blackout. Overflowing packaging by the bin. Tools left out in view. No curtains at dusk. Stand across the road from your house. Take a photo. Ask, would I try this one or the one next door? Fix the signals. Lights on timers. Toolbox inside. Packaging cut down. Curtains shut. Add a beware of dog sign even if your dog is a goldfish. 3 60-second actions. Do them tonight. 1. Strike plate screws. Swap the 2 tiny screws on your door strike for 2 3-inch screws. 2. Water cache. Fill 6 2-litre bottles labelled today's date, tuck under the stairs. 3. Neighbour ping. Hey, I'm your 3 AM phone a friend if the power goes. Same for you? Done. You're now better prepared than 90% of people and it took 5 minutes. Scenario walkthroughs. Let's stress test the list against 3 UK realistic weeks. Scenario 1. Big London riots. You're not near, but the ripple hits you. Trains packed, roads restricted, police busy. Shops in the centre close early, card payments flaky. At home in the Shires, you feel it when everyone returns at once. Motorways slow, a few stations out of fuel, social media rumours about run on bread. Your move. You're already topped up midweek, no queue. You've got 7 days of food and water, so you don't join the panic shopping. Power banks are full, cash ready if the local shop runs on a float. You do the grey door test and keep the street dark and boring. Nothing dramatic happens for you. Scenario 2. Autumn storm and flash flooding. Rain hammers down, a road you use vanishes underwater. The council posts a boil water notice for your area after a burst. Your move. Switch to stored 2-litre bottles and your gravity filter. Put wellies and high-vis in the car. Use the paper map to route around closures. Dinner is pasta plus tin sauce on the butane hob. Lights are a lantern on the table. Your first aid handles the cut your partner gets moving a branch, and the fire blanket saves the pan when your team gets cocky. Boring competence, that's the goal. Scenario 3. Card systems outage. Mid-morning, card terminals die across half the city. ATMs show out of service. People hover, confused. Your move. Walk in, smile, pay cash, leave. At home, you text neighbours, if anyone needs cash, I can spot you. Please pay back when it's normal. That goodwill, more security than any gadget. The checklist. Screenshot this. Pause the video, screenshot. Done. Look, most weeks in Britain are normal, but that's the problem. Normal lulls you, but resilience is built before the headlines. If September brings nothing but drizzle, brilliant. You'll have cleaner water, a calmer home, and fewer arguments during the next power out. If it brings a wobble, you barely feel it because you sorted water, power, warmth, light, then added the boring paperwork, some food you already eat, and a few screws in the door that now buys you minutes, and minutes are everything. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the one item you're fixing today. If you want more, watch this video about why most UK bug out plans fail. Join the community and find your people on the Charlie Survival Facebook group. Stay steady, stay kind, and keep Britain boring when it needs to be. Charlie Survival out.